number 13, we have a lot going on here. So a lot of our rules are being used. I'm actually going to rewrite this first. So I think we can make it easier by rewriting it. So this is going to be the integral of, I can call it 1 over x, or you can call x to negative 1, either way. But the second one, I'm going to write that as 4x to the negative 1/2. So square roots are 1/2 powers, and if they were on the denominator, that makes them negative. And then plus 2, and this will be x to the 1/3 power, because cubed roots are the 1/3 power. So now I'm actually going to take the integral of this. So it'll be ln of x plus 4, negative 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2. And I want to divide by that power. Plus 2x to the 1/3 plus 1 is 4/3. And I want to divide by that new power. And then plus c. And then I'm just going to do some cleanup here. So 4 divided by 1/2 is going to give you 8. So 8x to the 1/2 plus 2 divided by 4/3 is going to give you 3/2. You can always do that on the calculator if you're not sure. Raised to the 4/3 and plus c. So that will be our final answer.